Jackrabbits by Spencer Nason. A jackrabbit can jump up to 10 feet. If you were laying down, it could jump all the way over you. It can do this because of its strong and tall legs. The jackrabbit can run up to 40 miles per hour. That is one fast animal. When the jackrabbit is endangered, it will thump its back foot to scare away the predator. Kind of like a rattlesnake when it rattles its rattle. Jackrabbits have many predators, but the worst of all has got to be humans. 60% of jackrabbits' deaths are from humans.